How would I know if my content is working or not in GA4? We don't have stuff like bounce rates anymore. I don't know if bounce rates matter. What are some of your high level tips that for us, especially for blogs and webinars, how do you evaluate if your content is working?
Even though people say the bounce rate is not there anymore, so there's a metrics in GA4 called engaged session. So that basically that's people who didn't bounce and stayed on the website for X number of seconds. So
Yeah.
if you just want to, it's a positive way of looking at people who didn't bounce.
Yeah.
It's there.
Yeah. It's that.
So take a inverse of it, and that just shows you which content is actually not engaging.
Yeah.
Another thing is, I'm a how to say big fan of like segmentation.
Mhm.
So not really like a marketing segmentation type of thing, but within GA4 or Google Analytics, like there's a Explorer report where you can actually go in and create like custom reports.
Yeah.
So GA4 has like different dimension or a way of what's the right way to it does a event data, session data, and a user data. Yeah. So if you're able to create a report that says, hey, my customers who have purchased from me, a user who have purchased from me, and I want to see which source it came from. And instead of the source, you could always have a dimension called pages.
Mhm.
So you could say, of those people who have converted, show me all the pages they have touched, right?
Oh,
So in that case, you can see, and when you take out like the cart, checkout pages, billing pages, thank you pages, whatnot, you can start seeing which are the kind of popular content that people have actually touched from the customer base. And you could do the same with, hey, people who have came to the site and did not purchase, and
mm,
show me the pages they have touched, and also the
yeah.
landing pages they entered from.
Yeah.
And you could do the kind of Excel and Tableau and do whatever it is to kind of understand. And you could start seeing like the difference, right? And that difference is very insightful. Oh, wait a minute. Like in our website, if I look at the people who actually contacted us through the form, right? What pages are they actually looking? Most likely they look at our about pages, and then they look at our services pages. But then what if they're job hunters? So then you go back to the segment and tweak a little bit. Okay, people who have contacted us but never visited the career page. And that's a little more refined way to look at people who actually try to reach out to us, and then look at, did they only look at the homepage? Sure, they did. But if you look at the other pages they have touched, it's always going to be services and about page and stuff like that. And if you look at the land page, they might have came from like a blog page or something. So in that case, you could see which content was sticky for the certain type of segment, right? And
Yeah.
people who don't buy from you, you can see which page is not effective.